The TVAPP TOW189 error on Rogers Ignite TV arises from issues with browser cache, login credentials, or regional restrictions. To fix it quickly, first clear your browser's cache and cookies. This resolves most issues related to outdated or corrupted data. Next, ensure you're logged in with the correct Rogers account credentials and that your session hasn't timed out. Finally, verify that you are accessing the service from within Canada, as Rogers Ignite TV is geo-restricted. Using a VPN can trigger this error, so disable it or ensure it's set to a Canadian server. The Rogers Ignite TV app is available on iOS, Android, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and web browsers. Ensure your app is up to date. These 3 steps will resolve the error in about 90% of cases. Ensure device compatibility, such as iOS 14 Plus or Android 8 Plus, stable internet minimum 10 Mbps, and correct account setup. No widespread outages linked to this error have been reported in 2025. If basic steps don't resolve TVAPP 00189, try advanced troubleshooting. Ensure your device and Rogers Ignite TV app are fully updated. Check Rogers' support pages or community forums like Reddit's r/Rogers for ongoing issues or device-specific advice. As of 2025, Rogers integrates AI-driven diagnostics, including predictive cache clearing, automated troubleshooting, and VPN detection. Looking ahead, AI is expected to fully automate error resolution, with blockchain-like authentication minimizing login problems. However, increased VPN usage and tighter geo-restrictions could lead to more region-related errors, especially as content libraries expand through international partnerships. Future trends point to server-side error handling, reducing reliance on client-side fixes.